strings, that is single quoted, double quoted, and backtick. So these three types of strings also the JavaScript is accepted. So here I am taking the variable. How many types of variables we have? We have the three types of variables, that is var, let, const. Okay, so I'm using here the var. Here str1, that will be the string, that will be the variable name. I'm assigning the value here, that is hello world, that is hello world directly. So here I'm going to take console.log. So here the console.log, I'm assigning one name here, that is str1 here. So after that, you can take the variable name here. The same thing, the variable name you can take and assign here. So execute. For this execution process, you go the extensions, that is the code runner. So here the code runner, you can install this extension. So it is helpful for C, C++, Java and all programming languages. Okay. So go to your string.js here. So here string.js, you can execute this. So it will print it. Not printed again. So execute. So here printed str1, what we have stored, that is hello world. So hello world has to be printed here. Okay. So after that you can go the this is the single tick. Okay. Now I am using here the back tick. Sorry, this is the double quotates. So I am here using the back tick. Okay, where str2 and str2 here I am using the back tick here. So here JavaScript I am writing. Okay. JavaScript. So here console.log, and here I'm taking str2. In str2, after that you can take, that is str2 again. Okay, what I am assigning here, the variable name, you have to take the console.log here. Okay, so I'm going to executing again. So this printed the JavaScript what I have given in the what I have given in the console.log. So console.log will be the printing statement. Okay, so here I'm assigning again the variable name, that is str3. Okay, that is str3 here. So here I'm taking, so only the single quotations here, HTML everything. Okay, so here console.log again, the printing statement will be console.log. Here I'm taking str3 here str3. Okay, so it will shown same thing, execute. So the HTML has to be printed. Okay, so you need to know the string of length, how it will. Okay, here string, I will take in the comments, string length. Okay, you know the string length. Okay, so how it will be, so you can directly take, already we have assigned the variable name is there, right? So that thing. Okay, directly you can take console.log. Here you can take the message, that will be the string of str1. Okay, here so I need to know for str1 string length. Okay, so here I'm taking the string, so that will be the string length. Directly you can assign the length. So how many letters is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 letters is there. So it will take the I think it will take comma and space also it will take or not, we will see. The interview question. Okay, please remember this. It will taking. So it is taking. What it is taking here? What is it is taking? The space is also taking. So it is count from zeros to 12. So the index value is count from 0. Okay, in JavaScript. So the binary values is starts from 0 only, right? So it is taking the 0 only. So I'm taking the slice operator now. Slice, comment this here or console.log. I'm indicating the slice operator. Uh, Slice operator I will take here uh, in the message slice index. Okay, 7 to end. Okay, the message I'm taking here. Okay, so here comma str1 I will take again. Okay, str1 to slice directly. You can take the slice here. What I'm taking, the 7th index position I'm taking here. So it will print it, I think, world. So it is has printed the world. Okay, so next the uppercase. Already the word is there in a lowercase, right? So it wants to be presented in uppercase. So how it will be uppercase. These all are string methods. How we will declare. Okay. Console.log. Here I'm taking the message here. It is uppercase. Uppercase. str1. Okay. Here you can take not this, not like this. str1 dot upper, or you can take directly the string to uppercase. Okay, so it will print the uppercase value. It is there in a lowercase. Uh, just a second, I didn't take in a method here. You can take and assign the method like this. So it will print the word. It is converted into lowercase to uppercase, right? So you need to convert the uppercase into lowercase again. Okay, you can take lowercase here, lowercase console.log. So here again I'm assigning the string. So I will change this is to uppercase this all. Hello world. Okay. Now here I'm declaring the message that with a lowercase str1 here str1 dot to string lowercase. Okay, so I'm assigning method here. So here execute this. So it will changes into uppercase to lowercase. Okay, are you getting? So I'm doing the concatenation here. Okay, now I'm doing the concatenation here. Okay. Concatenation. So what is the concatenation? You can add the word or else you can add the word, letter or words. Okay, I'm writing here taking the greeting. Okay, greeting here I'm taking hello, hello. Where I will take space, the variable name will be space, and here I'm taking empty string here. Okay, I'm declaring empty string here. So next, where name here John. I will take the John or Joe. Okay, so where here I'm taking exclamation. Okay, I'm splitting this all hello world. Okay, exclamation. So So here I'm taking greeting. Greeting is already came here. So dot use the method name that will be the concat. Okay. So here I'm assigning space. Name directly I'm taking. Here name I'm taking. Okay. So next what I want to take here the exclamation. Oh no. Sorry, not like this. Exclamation I didn't place here. So I want to place the exclamation here. Next, enter. Where? So combine. I'm taking combine. String here. Creating a dot concat. Okay. Here I'm taking space or name. Okay. After that, what we have? Exclamation. Okay. I will take here directly the var console.log. Okay, what we have combined, that name will be the combined. So combined string, the message I will take here. Okay, take the next. Okay, so next here you can take combine. Okay, so we'll see how the message has to be printed. So it is printed the combined string hello Joe exclamation, right? So next you can take the replace string, how it will replace one string to another string. So directly you can use var new string. I'm applying here the row string. The name will be so str1. Okay, replace uh, with the word. Okay, replace word and universe. Okay, I'll take universe as well. So here console dot log. Here I'm taking new string. Okay, so I'm replacing the wait, I'll tell you. Here string after replace. Okay, so generally it wants to be print generally var so not var console dot log. Generally you need to take the new string here, right? New string directly, so it wants to be print what we have in the string formats. So what it is have already, it is so generally it wants to be print, it is not printed anything, so generally it wants to print hello and universe, right? So after replacing this, after replacing uh, after I'm replacing, what I'm replacing with new string, I'm taking new string here. Okay. So it will replace, I think it is presented the hello world. Okay, so it is replacing with universe. I'm replacing with universe here. Is it clear, everyone?